Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a video on the chance for snow in May, and then also the Arctic outbreak that we're going to have with very, very cold temperatures, potentially record setting Saturday into Sunday. So here we are looking at the GFS forecast model. Yeah, through today we have a cold front that pushes through, then you see the main storm system to our west. You see here, the 540 line is what's known for freezing, so that's the freezing line in the atmosphere. So you see the freezing air is already over us. You see pushing in mostly rain for many of us to begin with, before then the real cold air starts pushing in and starts taking over everything. And see here, then we see some moderate to heavy snow across central Pennsylvania to end things off before even pushing off to the coast, and then snow showers and snow squalls will push in as lake effect snow bands start to form over the Great Lakes due to very windy conditions, because this storm could bomb out. It could drop 24 millibars in under 24 hours. So we're going to look at that, but very windy and cold conditions are expected Saturday into Sunday. Now here we're going to take a look at the snowfall forecast, expecting a widespread 1 to 3 inches across central PA. You see here, this is actually looking way more optimistic than it was yesterday, with only expecting less than an inch for majority areas. You see here, but if you look in the tri-state area, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, looking at some heavy snow, but I would honestly expect more snow in the mountains, the Poconos, and the southwest central mountains of Pennsylvania. Now here we're going to look at the NAM forecast model. You see here, not much going on today. You see the cold front that starts to push through. You can see there, and then the storm off to our west. You can see cold air is pushing in a little bit earlier, but honestly some heavier rain is honestly expected with this forecast model. And then it honestly ends off with less snow for us than what it was predicting yesterday. Honestly, the GFS and the NAM have kind of flipped, where the GFS was saying less snow, and now the NAM is saying less snow. And then you see snow showers and snow squalls push through into Saturday. Now here, let's take a look at the NAM forecast model with its snowfall forecast. It's still expecting a widespread 1 to 3, but it's way less than what it was saying yesterday, which is a widespread 3 to 5. Now, this is more of honestly what I'd expect, is a widespread 1 to 3. And then in the Poconos and the southwest central mountains, could look at 3 to 5 inches, maybe even more, depending on where the main storm system sets up and how long it lasts. Now, all of these snow totals are all going to be dependent on just how slow it moves. If it moves slower, we could expect more snow. If it's not quite cold enough, you could expect really no snow potentially. Or if it gets very cold very quickly and the storm does move slow, you could expect some very, very high snow totals. Now here we want to take a look at the cold air that's going to be pushing in, the Arctic air. See warm temperatures today, then the cold front starts pushing in, and we get a really reinforcing shot of cold air, dropping temperatures into the 20s and 30s. That is really rare this time of year, as you'll actually see in this next thing I'm about to show you. I'm going to show you the records for how cold. Here is the National Weather Service with how cold temperatures are and how cold the records are. See, we almost had record temperatures last night. Don't really expect a record tonight, but Saturday into Sunday you could expect records to be broken with how cold the air is going to be that moves into the area. Now here finally I want to take a look at my forecast. So as you see here, I expect a widespread 1 to 3 inches, but on ridge tops you could expect 3 inches plus. See in the Poconos and then the mountains right around Pittsburgh and around Altoona, you could expect 3 to 5 inches in those areas. Up around Lake Erie, expect 1 to 4 inches, all depending on where snow squalls set up, and just how intense some of them are. And snow squalls could even move into central Pennsylvania, just depending on how long they last. And then you see in the southeastern part of Pennsylvania, looking at really just rain. Now, if more cold air pushes in, it could be snow, and they could have maybe an inch on the ground, but I wouldn't really expect any snow down there right now. Well, everybody, I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thanks, everybody. Bye.